Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. I hope you're all doing well. So this video is about installing and using AppSync Unified on rootless jailbreaks such as Dopamine, and you can see I am already jailbroken with Dopamine, and the current iOS version I'm on is iOS 15.8.2. The method shown in this video along with AppSync Unified is completely free. This video is for educational purposes only, so use the information responsibly, and the only purpose of using and showing AppSync Unified is to show you that using AppSync Unified you will be able to install more than 3 apps on your iOS device, and there will be no revokes, so that you don't have to worry about reinstalling your apps every 7 days. Now guys, before we install AppSync Unified, I want to show you that what happens if you try to install more than 3 apps using Sideloadly. So as you can see, I have Dopamine Troll Installer 10 and Odin already installed on this device. Alright, and when I try to install a 4th app, I will hit start, and then I will get this message that these apps are already installed and I have reached the maximum number of installed apps. Now I will simply cancel it out and we will install AppSync Unified and see how we can use it. First of all, let's talk about getting Sideloadly. You can get Sideloadly for completely free from its official website, and then install these two, iTunes and iCloud, from here. These are the official links, and from here you can get Sideloadly to your Windows PC. Once these 3 are installed, you are good to go. Now let's install AppSync Unified. Yes, of course, you'll have to be jailbroken. The jailbreak guides are in the description. Alright, then open Celio first, then go to sources, then hit this plus button above, then add this source, cydia.akmi.ai. Alright, then hit add source. Alright, it is added now. Open it, go to all categories, then install AppSync Unified from here. Then hit the get button, queued, and if allocate is not already installed, it will be automatically installed for you. Then hit confirm. Then hit the reboot device button to user space reboot your device. Now guys, as AppSync Unified is now installed, simply open Sideloadly and connect your iOS device via USB, and then on Sideloadly hit advanced options, and then from here select the 3rd option here, select this radio button. Alright, and then close advanced option, and then now we will start installing our apps. Just hit this button, and now let's try installing more than 3 apps. Alright, 1 app is done, second one. Alright, so second one is also done. Now let's try a 3rd one. In fact, it is the 4th one, because as you can see, Dopamine is there, Troll Installer 10, Odin, and yes, you can see we have installed the 4th one right here. Alright guys, just to show you that this method works, I have installed a lot of apps. Alright, as you can see it right here, and yes guys, they work just fine. So I will try to open them, show you that the installed apps work without any issues. One last thing guys, that most of the apps will install just fine and work with this option selected, provided AppSync Unified is installed. But if you have trouble, you can always also try the normal install option, also provided AppSync Unified is already installed. Also guys, all the apps we tried to install as a demo are also completely free. That's all for this video guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.